John, and officials across the nation are echoing Governor Sisolak telling the public rather, to practice social distancing this Labor Day weekend. ABC's Alex Presha continues our team coverage.
As we celebrate the Labor Day weekend, the nation's leading coronavirus expert is urging Americans to remain vigilant.
Hopefully, people, particularly the younger people, will pay attention to things like wearing a mask, avoiding close contact, avoiding crowds, and doing whatever you can possibly do outdoors as opposed to indoors.
Miami-Dade County enacting a 10 p.m. curfew and $100 fines for anyone not wearing masks in public.
We don't want to repeat a repeat of Memorial Day when people got complacent.
Crowded scenes like at this bar near the University of South Carolina with no one wearing masks have officials concerned. The university calling it disappointing. The school now one of at least 9 universities with 1,000 or more confirmed cases of COVID. The University of Alabama nearing 2,000 cases since classes resumed in August. And Northeastern expelled 11 freshmen for violating protocols for crowded gatherings. Cases also on the rise at Arizona State University.
It felt inevitable, almost like living just with 40 girls in one house.
Some students calling for an end to in-person learning.
We need to shut down campus immediately.
The CDC with a grim prediction, now saying the U.S. could reach 410,000 COVID deaths by the beginning of next year, making the search for a vaccine all the more urgent. AstraZeneca joining Pfizer and Moderna in the critical phase 3 of clinical trials for a vaccine. But Moderna saying it has slowed enrollment in their phase 3 trials to make sure it has sufficient representation for those most at risk.
It's important because what we know is that Black and Latinx Americans are infected and killed by COVID-19 at twice the rate of white Americans.
Several drug makers currently working to develop vaccines reportedly say they plan to issue a joint public pledge saying they will not seek government approval until the shots have been proven to be safe and effective. Alex Presha, ABC News, Washington.